Set up TP-Link extender, WPS manual method explained. If you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi network in certain areas of your home or office, a TP-Link Wi-Fi extender can help boost your signal and extend coverage. In this video, we'll walk you through two simple methods for setting up your TP-Link extender, the WPS method for a quick setup and the manual setup using the web interface. Let's initiate with Method 1, using the WPS button, the quick setup. Learn to set up your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender using Wi-Fi protected WPS button for a fast and easy connection. First of all, plug the TP-Link extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power light on the extender to turn on, showing it's powered up and ready to connect. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your TP-Link extender. The extender will automatically connect to the router. Once the connection is successful, the indicator light on the extender will turn solid. Now, as the connection is all set, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the extender is placed where it can receive a good signal from the router, avoiding thick walls or large appliances that could block signals. Now, if your router doesn't support WPS, or you prefer a manual setup, this video further explains extender setup using web interface method known as manual method. Plug the TP-Link extender into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn on. Connect your device, laptop or phone, to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the network name on the extender's label. Open a web browser and type in the extender's setup URL, extender. Local or IP address, 192.168.0.254. Log into the setup page using the default username and password, usually both are admin. Once logged in, select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the extender. After logging into the setup page, select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the extender to router's network. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name or set a new one for the extender's network. Click Next or Apply to confirm the settings. The extender will save your settings and restart, likewise completing the setup. After setup is finished, unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the weak signal area. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength with your device to make sure the extender is positioned well for optimal coverage. If you still face any issues during the setup process or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'll do our best to address your concerns.
Thank you for watching.